The next question for the panel says, any suggestion for post-COVID patients with lots of mental clarity, fatigue, and anxiety?
Yes, and many of the herbs that I just mentioned in my talk would certainly fit in that category, especially some of the nootropics like otocola and bacopa, fresh oat, some of the anxiolytics. I mean, the best effect would be is if you can actually, and I don't know who's asking the question, so I don't know if you're a clinician or not, but it would be to look at the person rather than just say, here's the symptoms, what herbs are good. Who is this person? So what is really going on with them? And the more you can understand the person, their energetics, their constitution, the more you're going to be able to match the specific herbs to make the best formula. If you do not have access to a clinician who can help you with that, then certainly some of the herbs we discussed already, I think, would be of benefit. I don't think I can get more specific without knowing more about the person.
I want to offer one specific, and that would be reishi, because it is anti-inflammatory, it's immunomodulating, it's really amazing for the shin when that's been disturbed. And I just find it very recuperative when you've been, you need it for the convalescent period and rebuilding your strength and vitality. So, and I love all the mushrooms. I would certainly have anyone look into a wide variety. There are so many companies, and we know and love many that have a mushroom mixture. And I would look to that for building strength and vitality and the immune system and modulating that immunity so that you don't come down with the second or third or long lasting conditions.
I definitely agree with reishi and all of the other herbs, lion's mane. There are some people who get through COVID infection and suddenly have really severe anxiety or other sorts of conditions that they never had before. And people don't really understand that, conventionally. I expect there's a piece of fear in there, and there's a lot of inflammation, maybe neuroinflammation contributing. Interestingly, one of my neighbors who's an allopathic doctor, very conventional, was just telling me that after she got COVID, she had intense anxiety for months and couldn't sleep. And this person who really wasn't open to anything outside of her profession suddenly, seeking out shamans in Sedona and this and that because she wasn't able to get what she needed from the conventional side. So again, it's just a good reminder to use those foundational things, diet, whatever kind of spiritual, so to speak, help that resonates for you. Use the herbs, but it might take more than taking things for some people.